What's up, all Power Rats crew? Today on the XJ camper build, tear down, yeah, whatever you want to call it. Glove box, airbag. Let's get them out. Under the bottom of the glove box, you got 1, 2, 3 Phillips head screws. Get them out. Ta-da! That was easy. So next, airbag time. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 screws right there, but underneath here, you got to pry that up. Which comes across all the way there. Which we're going to take that out anyway, because we got to take the dash out. There we go. Out of the way. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 screws there. Take them out. Now as you can see right here, these little tabs here, then you got this little notch. This whole cover has got to go that way to release from those notches. And see if I can. But also you got these little things right here, so you got to deal with that. Pull them out past that, pick them up. And you got one over here, which is actually down behind there. I've already pulled it up. So now that you got those, push that over. Got one down here. Nope, don't see one. So I need to set y'all down and y'all can watch from down here. Slides over. Ta-da! We have airbag. Now let's put something in perspective here. In the event of an accident, this airbag blows, comes out here, this protects you from hitting the dash, right? Right. Now this is what was covering it. This is some pretty heavy plastic, people. So this bag has enough pressure to rip this down through here for it to come out, to allow the airbag to come out and protect you. That's some serious pressure. So now that you got the cover out of the way, 1, 2, and actually it's under here, but 3 and 4. This one you got to come in from right up inside here. So I'm using 10mm with a 3-inch extension. Should get the job done. Okay, I'm going to need a swivel for that one. And lose the extension for the top ones. And I'm kind of leaving that stuck in there for right now for a purpose, because I need to unplug the harness for the airbag, and that's just going to hold the airbag in place for me so I don't have to grow an extra hand to do this. Okay, so they had those little Christmas tree fasteners right there, but I just took a screwdriver, stuck under it, and pried it up. And then you got to take this little red tab. Needs to be pulled outward. I got water in the floorboard. I guess we're going to find out sometime or other why have I got a leak. So, take that little tab. We really need a flat screwdriver. Thunder. There we go. Push a tab out this way and pull it out this way. Make sure it's stuck out good. And push that lever right there and pull. That unplugs your airbag. So we'll throw that rascal over there. Whenever you got your ratchet up here doing that, be careful of your windshield. Mine's seen better days, and I really don't care. So if yours is in good shape, just be careful. It wasn't too bad. Grab your airbag. Oh, got that one bolt right here. Bring it on out. Ta-da! Now, it wasn't bad. I had to take my ratchet and kind of kick it back at an angle like this to get up into it with a swivel. But overall, it wasn't. Now that I've got both airbags out, I'm going to go set them off sometime soon. If you guys want to watch that on video, tell me down below. Well, there you go, my power out of screw. There's how to take out the passenger side airbag and the glove box. If you guys are enjoying this XJ teardown, give me a thumbs up. Now, I realize a whole bunch of disassembly videos probably is not a whole lot of fun, but they are educational. In the event you've got an XJ and you need to know how to take something apart, okay? But when the fun starts, you ask, that is a very good question. Next coming out is a dash, then the gas tank, then engine, transmission, transfer case. And once I get it all stripped down, at that point, I'll be able to start taking dimensions and figuring out how I'm going to convert this thing to a camper trailer. So if that sounds like something fun you'd like to see, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss anything. Thumbs up if you enjoy the vids in the channel, and leave some cool comments or suggestions below. Appreciate you guys hanging out. Peace. Later, y'all.